Welcome to AI Monster Training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a done-for-you site using AI Monster. Click on Create Site and you will be on Create Site page. Now fill in the required details like subdomain name of your choice and site description. Once you fill in all the details and click on Submit button, then your done-for-you site is ready. You can see many options here. Once you choose the site settings option, you can edit your created site settings. You can set up all your required details here related to your site. You can add the logo and favicons of your website here. You can add your affiliate ID also here. You can add SEO-related details here like meta title, meta description, tags, etc. You can add your Google Pixels and Facebook Pixels script here. If you want to add a live chat option on your sites, then you can add a live chat script also here. You can collect your site's analytics data directly into your Google Analytics by adding the script here. You can add any third-party script also here based on your requirement. You can run Amazon ads on your site from here by adding an Amazon ad script. You can manage footer content, site social media links also from here. You can also add your WhatsApp number here so your website visitor can direct contact you via WhatsApp. You can enable or disable pop-ups on your sites from here. And you can also set the time of the pop-up from here. You can also add a slider ad to your site if you want. You also add a custom domain to your website if you want. You can also share your site to your desired platform. Thanks for watching the video.